Hi guys, my name is Tom. I live in London. My wife Anna lives with me. We've been married for 2 years. We love traveling. Every year we go on vacation. This year we want to go to the sea. We want warm weather, sunshine, and clear water. It's October. It's cold and rainy outside. One evening, we were sitting at home. Anna said, "Tom, I want to go to the beach." I said, "Me too." I opened my laptop. I started looking for options. Anna sat down next to me. We looked at the screen together. First, we thought about Greece. Greece is a beautiful country. There are lots of islands. The beaches are great. But it was autumn. In October, Greece is already cool. The sea is already cold. Anna said, "I don't want a cold sea." I agreed. We kept looking. Then I looked at Egypt. I found a city called Hurghada. I showed Anna some photos. In the photos, the sea was blue. The sun was bright. The beaches were beautiful. Anna looked and smiled. She asked, "Is it warm there now?" I read, "In October in Hurghada, it's plus 28 degrees." Anna said, "Perfect. Let's go there." Hurghada is a city in Egypt. It's on the shore of the Red Sea. The Red Sea is very clean and warm. It's great for swimming. There are lots of fish and coral. Anna loves swimming. I love the sea too. We decided to fly to Hurghada. Now we needed to pick a hotel. I opened a website and started browsing. There were so many hotels. Some were cheap. Some were very expensive. We want a good hotel at a good price. I started reading reviews. The first hotel was called Blue Wave. It wasn't expensive, but the reviews were bad. People wrote that the food was terrible. People wrote that the rooms were small and dirty. I showed Anna the reviews. She said, "No, I don't want to go there." I kept looking. The second hotel was called The Palm. It looked beautiful. There was a big pool. It had its own beach. There was a restaurant. But I looked at the price and whistled. It was very expensive. Anna asked, "How much?" I told her the price. She shook her head. We decided to keep looking. The third hotel was called Sea Star. The price was reasonable. I started reading reviews. The reviews were good. People wrote that the food was tasty. People wrote that the staff was friendly. There was a pool. The beach was nearby. I read for a long time. I liked everything. I showed Anna the hotel. She read the reviews. She looked at the photos. Then she said, "Tom, I like this hotel." I said, "Me too." We decided to stay at the Sea Star. We were happy with our choice. Now we needed to buy tickets. I opened an airline website. I started looking for flights from London to Hurghada. The flight takes about 5 hours. That's not very long. I looked at different dates and different prices. We decided to fly in early November. In November, Hurghada is still warm. In November, we both have time off. That works well. I found a flight on the 3rd of November. It was an early morning flight, 6 in the morning. I told Anna. Her eyes went wide. She said, 6 in the morning? I laughed. But the tickets were cheap. We decided to take that flight. I looked at the return flight. We want to spend 10 days on vacation. 10 days is a good amount of time. I found a flight on the 13th of November, also early morning. Anna said again, "Early again?" We both laughed. But the price was good. We agreed. I clicked Buy. The website asked for our details. I typed our names. I typed our passport numbers. I chose our seats on the plane. We wanted to sit together. I picked 2 window seats near the front of the cabin. Then I paid with my bank card. A minute later, an email arrived. It had our tickets. Then I booked the hotel. I entered our names. I chose the dates. 3rd of November, check-in. 13th of November, check-out. 10 nights. I chose a room with a sea view. Anna really wanted to see the sea from the window. It cost a little more, but we decided it was worth it. I clicked Book. Another email arrived. It was a confirmation. It had our names. It had the dates. It had a booking number. I showed the email to Anna. She read it and clapped her hands. She said, "Tom, we're flying to Egypt." I smiled. I was so happy. I bought the tickets. I booked the hotel. Everything was ready. Anna hugged me. She said, "You're the best." I said, "I know." We both laughed. It was raining outside. It was cold. But we were already thinking about the warm sea. We were thinking about the sunshine. We were thinking about Hurghada. Our vacation was 1 month away. We couldn't wait. The next day, I told my friend Mark about the trip. Mark asked, "Egypt? That's great! Is it warm there now?" I said, "Yes, almost 30 degrees." Mark said, "Lucky you." He looked out the window. It was raining. Mark sighed. Anna told her friend Sarah about the trip. Sarah asked, "Which hotel are you staying at?" Anna said, "The Sea Star. The reviews are great." Sarah said, "Oh, I've heard about Hurghada. It's beautiful there." Anna smiled. She was so happy. That evening, Anna and I sat down at the computer again. We read about Hurghada. You can snorkel there. You can watch the coral. You can ride on a boat. You can go on excursions. We loved all of it. Anna said, "I want to go on an excursion." I asked, "Where?" She said, "To the pyramids." The pyramids are far from Hurghada, but you can take a group bus tour. We decided to think about it later. First, we needed to get to Egypt. We also thought about money. Egypt has its own currency. It's called the Egyptian pound. We decided to bring some cash. There are ATMs in Hurghada. You can also get money there. We took our bank cards. Very convenient. Anna asked, "What do we need to pack?" I said, "Passports, tickets, money." Anna laughed. She said, "I know that. I mean clothes." I laughed too. We decided to pack our suitcases later. There was still time before the trip. I closed the laptop. We were happy. Tickets bought. Hotel booked. All we had to do was wait. Anna said, November will come fast. I said, I hope so. We smiled at each other. A warm Egyptian vacation was ahead of us. Thanks for reading our story. In the next episode, we'll be packing our suitcases, choosing what to wear, and figuring out what to bring. And yes, we'll be a little nervous too. But that's totally normal. See you next time.